Hello dear student. Today start from the example is based on the common multiple. It means that you have to find out the common multiple. Okay. Now the start from the worksheet number 3. Now this is our questions. Repeat the game by putting the multiples of 4, 6 and 5 in the circle. Your question is what? First of all, we have to write down the multiple of 4, 6 and 5. It means that first of all write down the table of 4, 6 and 5. Okay, I will write down the table of 4, 5 and 6, and everyone is student you know about a table of 4, 5, 6. I already write it. Okay, now listen here. This is our question is what? Now let's start from the question and answer. Start from the first one question. What common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? Okay. First of all, I already write the multiple of 4, 6 and 5. So simple table. First of all, we have to write down the table of 4, 5 and 6. And next question is what? Out of the multiples, we have to find out the common multiple of 5 and 6 and did you write the green part. Okay. So please all the students listen carefully. This is our three circle is already given to you. Is a circle of 4, 5 and 6 also. Okay. First question is what? Common multiple of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? Okay. In the 5 and 6, the common multiple of 5 and 6 is what? Here will be 30, 60 and 90 is also a common multiple. Why common multiple 30, 60 and 90? Because in the table of 30 will be come here because the 5 6 are 30 and 6 5 are 30. And next number is what? Also 60. Okay. 60 is also a common multiple of what? 5 and 6. Why? Because this is the table of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Okay. And next table is what? Here will be 6 1 ja 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. Now we have to compare these two table and we have to write down the common multiple. Okay, this is our 5 and 6 has a common multiple is what? Here will be 30. Why 30? Because the 30 number is both the table will be come here. Okay, and the next number is what? Next number is also a 60. Now listen here, in the 6 table has a 60 is the 10 times because the 6 multiplied by 10 is equals to 460. But this is our 60 is also divided by 5. Okay, 60 is also divided by 5. This is all 12 times divided. It means that here will be 30, 60 and 90. 90 is also one of the example is both the common multiple of 5 and 6. Why 90? Because 90 is a number you have to divide it by 5 and 6 also. Okay, it means that what the common multiple of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? This is our 30, 60 is also number and 90 is also. Okay, so we have to write down the green part. I already write it. Here will be 30. You can be writing a 60, 90. Okay, otherwise 30 will be also correct answer. Okay, now the start from the next question. What common multiple of 4 and 6 all are written in a orange part? Okay, first of all see the table of 4 and 6. Okay, here will be table of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. Now comparing with the two table of what? 4 and 6. Now we have to compare the table of 4 and 6 and we have to find out the common multiple. Okay, this is our 12 number. 12 is the common multiple. Why? Because of 4 3s are 12 and the 6 2s are 12. It means that here will be 12 is the common multiple of what? Here will be table of 4 and the table of 6. Why? Because the 12 is a number we have to come with the both the tables also. Okay, And next is also find out the number of 4 and 6, the common multiplier 24. Why 24? Because here will be a 4 6 ja 24 and the 6 4 ja 24. Here will be 24 will become here both the table of what 4 and 6. Okay, this is our answer is what here will be 12 and 24. Okay, what is the answer? What the common multiple of 4 and 6 are written in the orange part. This is one of the example. This is our 12 and 24 is the two examples. Okay, these are the two example is the common multiple of 4 and 6 in the written in the orange part. I already write it in the orange part also. Okay, now let's start from the next one example. In which color part did you write the common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? Okay, now see the listen carefully. This is our table of what 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now the listen here. In which color part did you write the common multiple of 4 and 6 and 5? I already write it the 60 in the gray part. Okay, why 60 in the gray part? Because 60 is a one of the number, is a very common multiple of what 4, 6 and 5. Why 4, 6 and 5? Because 60 is divided by 4. Your answer is what 15. It means that it will be 60 will become in the table of 4. Okay. Next one example is what here will be 6. 60 is also a table of what 6. Okay, this is our also common multiple and this is our 5. Okay, it means that here will be 60 divided by 5. Your answer is what? Here will be 12. It means that here will be 60 is a one of the number, is a very common multiple of what? Here will be 4, 6 and 5. Okay, your question is what? In which color part did you write the common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? Okay, here will be they are written in the gray part. I already write it in the gray part also. Okay, now listen here and the next question is what? What is the smallest common what is the smallest common multiple of 4, 5 and 6? Now already find out it the common multiple of what 4, 5 and 6 is our 60. Okay, why 60? Because 60 is a one of the number is a divided by what? Here will be 4, 6 and 5. Okay, and the next number is what? This is for a 4. We have to write down the other number. We have to write down this circular part. Okay, this is your red circle, yellow circle and the green circle. So we have to write down this number. Okay, this is our 4 table. In 4 table is the remaining number is what? Here will be 4, 8, 16, 28 and 32. And the table of 6 is the remaining number is what? Here will be 6, 18, 42 and 54. In the orange part I already write it. In the gray part I already write in the number of 60. In the green part I already write down this the part of what 30 and 90, otherwise 60 also. Okay, and the next is what? It's the table of 5. This is our 5, 10, 15, 25 and 35 and 45. I already written it. Okay, this is our question is related to we have to find out the common multiple of what? Here will be 4, 6 and 5. Okay, now let's start from the next one question. Next question is more tamarind seeds. Okay, now listen here. Here will be Amini is arranging the 12 tamarind seeds in the form of the different rectangle. Try to make your more rectangle like this using the 12 tamarind seeds. How many different rectangle can you make? Okay, now listen here. This is our 3 rectangle can you make by using the 12 seeds. Why? Because now listen here. This is our what? Now arranging in the rectangular form. It means that we have to arrange in the rectangular form in the form of rows, in the form of columns. Okay, now first of all I will write the 1 multiply by 2. Here will be 1 multiply by 2. It means what? Here will be one row, we have to arranging in the one row and the 12 columns. Okay, it means that once again I repeat it. Now Amini is arranging in the 12 number and 6 in the form of different rectangles. Try to make the more rectangles like the using the 12 number and 6. Okay, how many different rectangle can you make? Okay, obviously here will be 3. Okay, why 3? One by one explain you. Here will be 1 multiply by 2. It means that here will be 1 multiply by 2. Here will be n rows and n columns. Okay, m rows, it means what? Here will be only 1 rows and a 12 column. This is our first arrangement. Okay, now let's start from the second one. Arrangement is also, this is our 2 multiply by 6. Why 2 multiply by 6? We have to arrange in the 2 rows and the 6 column also. Okay, this is our second one examples. And the third one is, you can be also arrange in, here will be 3 multiplied by 4. How can we arrange the 3 multiplied by 4? Here will be 3 rows and the 4 columns. This is our third one part. Okay, it means that here will be 3 rectangle can you made by using the 12 6. Okay, first one arrangement is what? Here will be 1 multiplied by 2. Here will be 1 rows, 12 columns. Second one arrangement is what? Here will be 2 multiply by 6. Here will be 2 rows and the 6 columns. And the third one arrangement is what? Here will be 3 rows and the 4 columns. Is also a 12. 1 multiply by 12 is also 12. This is our all our arrangement of what? 12 arrangement. Okay, here will be 12 thumb 6 arrangement. Okay, I hope everyone student get the understood the concept of a common multiple. How can we find the common multiple? Okay, this is the one of the example. We have to find out the common multiple of what? 4 5 6 whatever. Another number you can be also find out this number. Okay, and next topic start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.